Hello, this is Harvey Jai for Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. Another setup video. This time I'm gonna set up Xiaomi TV Stick 4K version to our Samsung 75-inch Smart TV. So this TV will make our TV more smarter. It's already smart. So you can use any version of TV. If you have HDMI port, you can use this one. So I have unboxing video of this product. If you want to check that, check the video description. So let's unbox. Let's take this off and prepare for our setup. Here we go. That we have manual if you want to read. But I'm gonna show you. Here is the stick. We have to put that remote. We don't have any battery. We have to prepare our remote in this. I have two charging battery. It doesn't come with any battery. Take this out from here. Press little bit, and it will come out. Put our battery inside. Here we go. Lovely. And we'll close this one. Here we go. Lovely, it's ready, and we'll take out our Xiaomi TV Stick 4K 2nd generation. Okay, here we go. It's fine. Put here. Take this cable here to connect. Lovely. We'll try first without our adapter. If our TV take this stick without adapter, we'll try. This USB will connect with our TV. If you don't have USB port in your TV, it may not take. Sometimes it takes, sometimes no. But gonna try this without adapter. Connect this, you see here, micro USB port. Connect this one properly, perfect. And we'll go now behind our TV, and I will show you how it is. You can see, guys, we have two HDMI port. We need this one, and this is USB port. I had previously Amazon Fire Stick there, so I'm gonna connect the same. Let's see. You can see here the Xiaomi TV Stick. I'm gonna connect with one of the HDMI port. You can see exactly. Here we go. It goes inside. And this USB, you see here, this one, you connect with one of the port of USB of TV. Here we go. Lovely, you can see now more closer how it connects here to HDMI then USB. Very easy, lovely, guys. I just have connected automatically appear this screen. You see Xiaomi at the corner. So we'll take our remote and we'll hit, let's see, to hold these two buttons together. You see how it is? You see, connected successfully. Now we have to do setup according to our place. Use the remote, this button. English United Kingdom, lovely. Then I hit next button. Region of country, I have to put here where I am. I'm at the moment in Spain. I live in Spain. Here we go. I hit next button. I have to scan this to my phone. This Google TV quick setup with your phone. So any Android phone will be better. In this case, I'm not gonna set up with my phone. I'm gonna set up manually. So at the bottom you see manual setup with TV remote. I go inside. I have to connect with my Wi-Fi. Let's see here. I hit enter to put the password of my Wi-Fi, and I will be back. I put my passwords. Now I will go down. I think it's done. I hit to go inside. In this case, you have to put your Google account and you have to put your passwords. I put my passwords. Now I hit next button. I have to approve with my phone. So now it's connecting to my account. Let's see, it's loading. I have to accept all the term and condition. View more. Accept term and service. Sign in. Sign up. Select the below. Set up Google TV. No thanks option. I want to set up directly. Let's see, choose an option. I hit allow. Hurry, select the home. Hurry, I have different homes, so hurry Spain here. This is my living room, perfect. I'm setting up to this one is Samsung. Confirm all this application I want or not. Hit confirm. Hit confirm button. Standard network connection off. You not use TV. Optimize recommended. Use your energy mode. So I put optimize option because I want to cast. I hit recommended option. Preparing your remote. So here is the remote. You hit OK button. Remote. Control your TV with your remote if you want. I hit OK button. Control your TV. Yes, with remote. And done. Agree with the term and condition. Setting up Google TV. You can see here. Google is photo as a screensaver, multiple profile. I leave the first option. New album found, back. I go to at the down Google TV. Go to Google TV directly. Lovely here. They connected with my account. Lovely. We can go to my YouTube here to go inside. Okay, finally I'm inside my YouTube option. I'll put any channel here. Let's see. Europe 10 destination. Lovely. You can see how beautiful. Here we go. So it's working properly. I go back here. So I'm inside my Prime account. You can connect very fast. I go inside. And I will put any TV show. I put here Fallout from Prime. Resume. Loading. Let's see. Perfect. Is working as a magic. 4K perfectly on 75-inch Samsung TV. So this is the way you can set up your Xiaomi TV Stick 2nd generation. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.